We live in serious times. There's a lot of negativity out there, and a lot of books tell us to just smile through it, but faking happiness doesn't work. It's not good for us, and it's not good for our teams. Kim Cameron suggests a different way, backed by real research. Think about this. A study found that patients recovering in sunny rooms felt less pain. Another found that acts of virtue can lower cortisol and even help with healing. There's a connection between light and positive energy. It's what helps things grow. This is called heliotropic energy, and it's the basis for positive leadership. Here's the thing, we naturally pay more attention to the negative. We spend more time thinking about bad relationships than good ones. But research shows that our behavior is actually most powerfully affected by positivity. It takes a bit of effort to focus on the positive, but that's where real change happens. So, what does this positive energy look like in practice? It starts with generosity. Studies show that people who give more positive energy than they receive tend to benefit the most. For example, college freshmen who set goals to help others ended up being more successful than those who just focused on getting good grades or being popular. A powerful example, older adults with high blood pressure were told to spend money on others or on charity. Their blood pressure dropped so much, it matched the effects of medication. Another study found that older adults who contributed to others' lives reduced their risk of dying by 47%. How can we use this at work? It's about creating opportunities for people to help each other. Maybe ask an employee to lead a meeting to teach something they're good at. This isn't just about learning a skill. It's about giving them a chance to contribute, which builds positive energy and strengthens the whole team. None of this works without trust. Trust is built on two things, integrity and sacrifice. Integrity means being transparent and consistent. You do what you say you'll do. Sacrifice is when you give up something for the good of someone else. It's like an emotional bank account. Every kind act is a deposit. Every criticism is a withdrawal. For trust to thrive, there have to be more deposits than withdrawals. So, what do you do when you're faced with a dementor? You know, that person who seems to suck the energy out of a room. First, try to listen to them and understand their perspective. Give them honest, descriptive feedback. If that doesn't work, offer them coaching or training. If nothing changes, it's time to protect your team. Make that person less central to your team's activities. Limit their interaction and ability to spread negativity. And if it still doesn't get better, you may need to terminate the relationship. This isn't about punishment. It's about understanding that if you stay together, neither of you will flourish. Finally, stay humble and be grateful. Gratitude and humility go hand in hand. They help us recognize other people's strengths and be more open to feedback. It's actually a biological need. Studies show that writing down what you're grateful for each day leads to fewer illnesses, better sleep, and more energy. So, how do we apply this in business? Start your next staff meeting by giving everyone a minute to share something they're grateful for or something they're proud of. It might feel a little different at first, but it's a simple way to build positive energy. This might all sound a bit idealistic, but the data is clear. An analysis of 500 studies showed that positive, energized organizations have higher creativity, better health, and lower turnover. Even in the toughest circumstances, positively energizing leadership can make a real difference.